What's up, YouTube? This is your girl Samantha Sweets, and welcome back to my channel. Hey, Sweetie Squad, what is up, my lovies? Happy Saturday. I am so sorry I've not filmed for you guys. I know I say that a lot. It's just, guys, I am not nothing but a YouTuber. There's so many beauty gurus out there that are nothing but YouTubers. I actually have another job. You guys probably already know I work for the state of Florida, and that is a very stressful job. I work with the criminally insane, and that's a job on its own. So again, I apologize, but remember, the giveaway is still going on. All you have to know is what my two favorite colors are. A lot of people have put them in the comments down below. I've seen a lot of people are true Sweetie Squad members, and I'm so grateful and blessed for that. But if you are new to my YouTube channel, sorry guys, my sinuses are killing me. What's up? I'm your girl Samantha Sweets. Please make sure you hit that subscription button below. Give it a click right here. Ring a ding 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 that bell. Turn your post notifications on. Why? Because I'm giving back. I'm giving giveaways back to back to back. Boom. I am so sorry if it's like my videos are lifeless right now, but my shoulder is kind of bothering me a little bit, and I've been working strenuous hours. Okay. Hopefully we can get through this video. Do I look a little whiter today? It's that Ciate London powder. I love it, but then I don't, because I feel like it gives a major flashback. I don't know, but my period's like in 9 days, so I might be a little PMSy. Wah wah, blah blah blah. Anyways, back to the video. I am doing the Birchbox. This is the last and final Birchbox with Samantha Sweets because I canceled my subscription. I don't know what my hair wants to do today. I'm about to take my son school shopping, so I was like, let me get this video out, and then hopefully I can do 2 more when I get back. But yeah, my son is going school shopping today, so that's going to be a chore on its own. If you guys do not know what Birchbox is, it is a monthly subscription service. It is now $13. It used to be $10, and I really respect it and love that. I'm not quitting because they went up $3. I'm quitting because it's just, I'm putting things on hold. My Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, I put on hold until October, so you will see that on my channel every other month. And Birchbox, I'm just getting rid of. And Ear Fleek, you're next. So, but Ipsy, I will always stay true to you. I love you to the moon and back. That's the original glam bag for only $10 a month plus free shipping. Alright, so let's get into this. Birchbox. This is my second time leaving them. And it's not because, like I said, they went up on price. It's just because I feel like they're not consistent. They do good 1 month and then they fall behind in the next, and then it's just crazy. I don't know. I'm just going to give it a rest right now. Maybe I'll go back to it. Maybe I won't. Maybe I'll try a new subscription. I don't know. Wow. And and I've seen this box before. Okay, so I got it open. Like, I haven't done that in a while. I've gotten this box before. That's crazy. I have this box somewhere. I think it's on my dresser. Alright. Let's get into it. Okay, so the theme for this month is old school summertime. And this has all the prices of what the retail of full price is. This is sample sizes. You might get lucky and get a deluxe size, but I've never seen a full size in here, except a brush. And that was finally, this company's been around. This is one of those old school companies of subscription boxes. And I finally got a brush, like, was it December? I think it was December. Alright. So, this is what my box looks like right here. I got the, oh my gosh, I can't even think what the box is called. It's called the, because you get to either choose a sample that you know you're going to get the box, and the rest of the things are a mystery, or you can customize your box. And I picked the customized box, so I knew everything that I was getting in my box. And the reason I got this box is for this little bad boy right here. This is the IBY Color and Poolside. They had it once upon a time in Ipsy, and I did not get it, and I was so mad. I want it so bad, and I was not going to buy the whole damn palette for $20 for one color. So let's see if this is exactly what I'm dreaming of. I'm loving this packaging, though. Perfect for summer. Okay, so here's the color. Well, this is the packaging, and this is what the color looks like as well. I really like IBY. It's such an affordable company. It's very underrated. I actually reached out to them to see if I could be maybe sponsored by them. Oh my god. I'm so glad that I got this box. Ooh. way to leave y'all out on a bang. That is beautiful. You can definitely just go ahead and put that all over the lid. Oh my God. Yes, girl. So glad I got this. All right. I don't even know like where my makeup wipes are or anything. I was like literally about to walk out the door and then my son was like not ready. So I was like, let me go ahead and film real quick. But obviously I'm not the bubbly Samantha Sweets right now. I do apologize. I think honestly all these hair on my lip, all these doubles are really getting to your girl. Hold on one second. Got it. I hate hair on my lip. Okay. Next bad boy in this box is the Dr. Lip Original Nipple Balm for dry skin, luscious lips, and glossy bits. I'm really excited. I wish this was more of a deluxe size. It's honestly like a little sample. I'm really excited to try this. I hear it's amazing. I kind of like don't even want to waste it, but I want to see if it comes out clear. Yeah, it comes out clear. Wish this was bigger. They also have had this in Ipsy in the past as well. Next little gift we're getting in here is by Arco High Dive Moisture Shine Cream. And this is a, I'm sorry, I'm not even telling you the prices. Your girl is a hot mess today. Okay. IBY Beauty, like I said, the full-size palette, not just for the one eyeshadow, but for the palette is $20. And then the Dr. Lip Nipple Balm is $16.50 full size. So you know that bad boy is bomb. It also says you can use it on your cuticles and dry spots. It's kind of cool. And then the Arco High Shine is $29. And this is formulated to smooth and seal hair, softens, fights frizz, and enhances shine. Well, your girl could have used some today. I might put some in my hair because it is... Yeah, let's put this in my hair. My hair is a little frizzy today. Comes out like this. Oh, wow. Messed up my highlight. Why don't I? And we're just going to just dab this on our hair. Fight the frizz, baby. Fight the frizz. I'm scared of you, Arco. Dang. Y'all see that? My hair, like, magically went down. I see you. I see you. And it smells pretty good. Okay. Cool. Alright. And next little goodie is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water Set, Refresh, and Spray. I've been wanting to try this, so I didn't even realize I was getting this in my box. This is awesome. This is a sprayer, right? Like, the lid is on there tight. Oh, because the... Hold on, let me see. This is a nice little sample size. You can get a good uses out of this. I have my set and spray somewhere around here because I couldn't find it in the bathroom this morning. So here it is right here. Set and refresh. I've already used the Anastasia Dewy Glow Spray, so I'm not going to put that on top of that. But I'm so excited to try this, and I will let you know. Also, I've decided, guys, to add another segment. I'm like over here trying to get freaking this thing that fell. I'm trying to add another segment to my thing. You know how a lot of people put what their favorite month, what they enjoyed in their favorite month. I'm going to be grabbing 5 things every month of what I enjoy. So it will be my June favorites, my May favorites. I'm deciding to go ahead and do that. So I'm really excited to do it for this month because I found some good favorites. It's actually kind of hard to choose. But I'm happy to get this, and I will try it and let you guys know in a future video. And the last little goodie is... Oh, really? So this is my first time ever receiving a facial mask or facial... This is actually an eye patch, but I've never received something like this in Birchbox before. This is the coconut... I love coconut. Too Cool for School Oil Serum Eye Patch, and it's with Hydro Eye Patch Gel. And basically, it's going to take the dark circles around your eyes gone. By the way, that Smashbox Primer Water was $32, and the coconut serum is only $6. So this is full size, and this is $6. Nice. I believe I've seen this at Walmart, though. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Anti-wrinkle properties. All right. Okay, So that was everything that I received in my box. Am I going to miss Birchbox? Of course. I mean, it's cute getting the little cute samples to try out and stuff. But honestly, your girl has tons that I've never even really used. And I'm really, really excited to get this eyeshadow. Like I said, I've been with them for a while now. And they just now started doing eyeshadows. My other eyeshadow they got was a Winky Luxe eyeshadow. I honestly wish that they would do one eyeshadow sample every month, one lip product. I've not received a lip product from Birchbox in about 3 months. So I'm a little sad about that. But I'm really excited to get this color right here. So do I feel the box is worth $13? Of course. But if you're getting it full size or deluxe size is how I feel it's worth it. I mean, this is all little samples, you know? So we have the eye patch 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5. Sometimes you get 6. I'm kind of shaken by that. Okay. Now, do not forget that I am announcing the winners at the end of this month, the very last day of the month. I'll be announcing 2 winners for the Morphe, and I also have another giveaway coming up. You guys are going to flip. Let's just say that this set that I'm giving away, this let's see, what's it called? Oh my god, I'm sorry. My mind is so clouded. The collaboration giveaway that I am doing, it's something that a lot of people can't get their hands on. We'll just say that. And it's new. Alright guys, as always, stay beautiful, stay blessed. I'm Samantha Sweets. I love y'all. Bye.